Hi, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to do the demo import of Shopbar theme. So let us get started. So this is our default homepage. Let us go to Appearance and then Themes. Click on the Add Theme button. Now in the search text field type Shopbar. Now click on the Install button. Click on Activate button. Now, click on the Get Started with Shopbar. Now we are redirected to the demo import page. Click on Import Demo button now. Now wait for demo import process to finish. It will take around some time. Let us refresh our homepage now. Now our demo import is complete. Now, let us check some other pages too. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, contact us.